In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and restore past chats in Claude AI. Whether you've had a long conversation with the AI or just a short interaction, revisiting and continuing these dialogues can be incredibly valuable. Now let's dive into the process of accessing your chat history with Claude AI. First, you'll want to open Claude AI. This is your starting point, so go ahead and launch the application or navigate to the web page depending on which platform you are using. If you're anything like me, you might have a shortcut set up to quickly get you there. If not, don't worry. It's as simple as typing in the URL or clicking on the app icon. Once you've got Claude AI open, it's time to sign in. Make sure you use the same account you had previously used to conduct your conversations. This step is crucial. Using a different account will not give you access to the past dialogues you're seeking. If you've forgotten your login details, most platforms offer a forgot password option, which can be really helpful if you're drawing a blank. Now that you're logged into the right account, look for your conversation history or sidebar. This feature acts as the repository for all your interactions with Claude AI, both big and small. It should be visible as a menu or a button, often located on the left or right side of your screen. If you don't see it immediately, look around your interface or check under a menu labeled Settings, History, or something similar. Once you've located your conversation history, the next step is to scroll through and look for the specific conversation you want to revisit. This might take a bit of scrolling if you've had many conversations, but patience is key. Each chat is typically marked with a timestamp or a topic indication, making it easier to identify which one you're seeking. When you've found the conversation you want to revisit, simply open it. Clicking on it should expand the chat window or bring you back into the dialogue, picking up right where you left off. This allows you to continue the conversation seamlessly, without missing a beat. It's a great way to resume a dialogue, revisit valuable information, or simply reflect on previous insights you've gathered. And there you have it. Those are the steps to find and restore past chats in Claude AI. By following these steps, you can effortlessly pick up past conversations and continue making the most out of your interaction with Claude AI. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in navigating your chat history for a more enriched experience. Thank you for watching and happy chat.